In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to send your Google form to students to fill out. There's two ways that I usually use Google Forms with my students. The first way is I use a link shortener. My personal favorite is Bitly. And in order to use Bitly, I look at the preview, which is also the live form. So it takes me to what the form looks like. And I use the Bitly Chrome extension. You can also use the Bitly website by copying the URL up here, and then in a new tab, going to bitly.com, and you're able to create a shortened link for free. If you create a free Bitly account, then you can customize the ending of it. I use the Chrome extension because it's a little bit faster. So I click on my Chrome extension for Bitly. This pops up on the side for interest survey, and I can customize the end part. I'm going to call it interest survey 2020, save, and looks like it worked. So it saved that bit link, and I can give my students bit.ly/interest survey 2020. Another way that I send out Google Forms to my students is on Google Classroom. The benefit of using Google Classroom is that you get to see the counter for how many students have filled it out. So if I go to my Google Classroom and I go to my classwork tab, I will create an assignment. Now I'll call this assignment interest survey. I can assign instructions. I can give it points, due date, and a topic if I prefer. And then I click attach, add attachment. I pick Google Drive, and hopefully, since it's something I recently updated, it should show up right here, interest survey. I will add that. And now it attaches this into Google Classroom. Now, unlike attaching a doc or slides, there's no option for students can view, students can edit, or make a copy for each student. With Google Forms, it knows to attach the version that students will fill out. So I click assign, and it creates a assignment. When I click on it, I can see that 0 have turned in, 1 has been assigned. Once that one student fills out the Google form, then it'll show me a 1 in the turned in spot. So it's really handy to see if you're looking for a counter, say you're doing an exit ticket and you're going to dismiss the class once you have 100% turned in, then that's an easy way to send it out to students. So again, that was using a link shortener like Bitly or using Google Classroom to send out a Google form to students.